Why cleaning and declutter is important for home organization. Do you have a working house cleaning checklist to clean and declutter your home? Living in a cluttered space can lead to stress, affect your productivity, and also increase the difficulty of your household task. Why you cluttered-free and organized home? It reduces stress and anxiety. Our mind gets disturbed when we have a cluttered home, causing much more stress to our already filled brains. This might make you feel embarrassed or ashamed of your home when you have visitors. It can also lead to an increment in your stress level. Your mind can also become cluttered when you have clutter all around your home. The stress that comes with not being able to locate something on time due to the piles in your home can be so devastating. Try to declutter just a room in your home and see how relaxed you feel when you spend time in the room you just decluttered. Allows more time for other activities. Have you ever spent your Saturday cleaning, decluttering, and organizing your home? As each week passes, you may start getting a dreadful feeling when Saturday approaches because you will be doing a lot of cleaning instead of spending the time relaxing or doing other stress-relieving activities. You will have enough time to yourself when you have an organized house where you own only what you use, and always place items to their original position. There won't be a need for much of decluttering every Saturday as you would have arranged everything probably every night. It makes cleaning and tidying easier. When you own fewer items to yourself, you can easily go around your home and clean. Although decluttering is often about getting rid of unwanted items, but it is also a great opportunity to clean, tidy, and organize your home and leave it with a great look. And once you achieve the desired result, you will want it to remain like that. You will not be doing much dusting and moving around when you don't have much junk in your home. Cleaning and tidying a home with less junk is easier. Discover lost treasures. When decluttering your home, you are likely to find and recover those items you've concluded lost. This will really take you to a lighter mood, especially when you find items that you plan to repurchase. Decluttering your home may reveal some things about yourself and the essential items you want to keep, as you will have the total control. To sum it up, having known the various advantages of decluttering your home, we hope you will spring to actions and declutter your home to enjoy the benefits. However, if you are a busy person and will need help declutter and organize our home, Clean House Melbourne is here to help you. We help people clean, declutter and organize their home. If this content has been useful, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.